So hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channels, and I am here today. I am going to discuss about new topic on sutures, so also the name of stitch. Okay, let's start now this video. So hello guys, so firstly the topic of sutures. Now first we will see the introductions. In surgery, suture is the act of the bringing tissue together and holding them in the position until healing has taken place. Now next we will say the definitions. A suture is the strain of materials used to ligate and blood vessels and tissue together. Ligate, that means to bind blood vessels or tissues, and also called the sutures. So now the technique used by the doctor to close the wound. So suture is a stitch, means to saw and seam. So that means सिलना, stitch करना, उस चीज़ को सिलना. Now then the classifications according to say the natural and the synthetics and metallics. So now according to the sutures and monofilament and multifilament. So according to fate of the absorbable sutures and non-absorbable sutures. So and the absorbable sutures of 3 point. First one is the catgut, chromium, catgut and the callus. Now non-absorbable suture is the silk and linen. So you can see absorbable suture is the catgut, is derivated from the seep and intestinal mucosa. Now it is the avivals and the aluminiums coated and the style pad. So absorptions of 5 to 19 days में ये जो सूचर होता है वो पूरी तरीके से स्किन में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है. नाउ इसका कलर येलो कलर का होता है. सो नेक्स्ट द क्रोमियम कैटगट जो कोटेड विथ thin layer of the salt sodium to minimize and tissue reaction. Slow of the absorption rate. So absorption is the 15 to 20 days or the 90 days. So used by the ophthalmic surgery and oral surgery. Now the collagen is the obtained by the homologous and dispersions of pure collagen fibrins from flexor tendon of beef. So advantages: it is the easy to handle and not. Disadvantages of the variability to absorbable and efficiency in a affected field. Now non-absorbable. So firstly the silk absorbable. So firstly the silk, it is made from the filament spume by the silk worm and larva. It is a cream or orange colored. Its size available are the 80 and 620. So advantage is easy to healing and good knot and security, cost effective. So now the disadvantages should not be used to present of infections. So next is the linen. It is the natural or non-absorbable or multifilament. Size varies from 220 to 80. So used to ligation of the superficial vessels and the mucosal suturing. So according to the suture is the monofilament and multifilament. The monofilament, it consists of the single stain of material and pass through the tissue easily, less traumatic. It requires more knot to prevent the slippage. So example for nylon and the toluene. So advantage is smooth surface and less tissue trauma, and disadvantage is the handling and knotting. So next we will see the multifilament. Consist of the various. We will see the multifilament is consist of the several filaments, greater strength and the flexibility, better knot and security, and cause more tissue trauma. So now example is the Virex and the polyester. So advantage is the good healing and good knottings, good handling and good knottings. So now disadvantage is the tissue trauma. So now the note of this topic of the 2 by 3 is a part of the hold needles. So this is our needles, and then we are hold of the 2 by 3 is the anterior and the posterior 1 by 3. So that is a note this point. So that's all about this topic of the